ngayon ay magluluto tayo ng pansit canton.
Are you serious? 800? Are you exaggerating? No, we
Hoy,
don't
pansit
have that many
canton.
bones in our bodies. So
Hindi pansit
yeah,
canton.
but you can break like a million bones, you know. I did it once. What?
T.O.T.
And look, I'm using a helium balloon to hit myself even more. Oh gosh, oh jeez.
Papainit na ng tubig.
I think I might have gone a little too far.
Update ko na lang kayo pag tapos na. Bye-bye. Mag-ano tayo. Kakalo. Ako.
Downwards. Holy cow. And now I'm gonna use the balloon and God, let's hit this tree. Give me the tree.
Matalino to eh.
Oh, let's go. I don't know how many goes like that.
Binibidyo mo.
I'm on my way to level
Ay!
4. And now I have
Kita nyo ba?
one. This is
Sorry
bad.
kung di kita.
Kalimutan ko kayo guys.
Oh gosh. What am I
Maglagay na
doing?
nito.
Oh, jeez.
Hindi
Oh,
nakita.
gosh. Come on, here we go. I think this is the last one before I move on.
Papakita ko sa inyo pag
The
tapos.
tree just went blue.
Lalagay ko muna itong galaman ko.
And I made enough to move on to level
I-check
4.
natin pag madaming ganito.
Play. I think I might be a
Lumipad.
I'm not at
Dek, yung mga flatis yung pamadami mo sa lagayan.
I don't know. I think
Do you have any idea how this might have happened? Or where my cat might be?
a lot more
That's
though.
horrible.
But I
I have no
Excited
idea.
na ako.
Dear me,
Excited
or
na
your
ako.
cat.
Mga
I'm sorry.
plato.
Are you positive? Cameron, a missing cat is a big deal. I wouldn't lie to you. Ask your mischievous little rat of a son if he has any idea. I'm sorry. What did you just call my son?
I'm sorry, I'm just worried and stressed right now. My little Coco is missing.
Me and my little rat of a son had nothing to do with it.
So it's just a coincidence that Susan from across the road saw your son running out from my backyard with his ball earlier? Or are you calling her a liar?
Listen, Cameron, I hope you find your little monster that you call a cat. I have things to do and places to be, so I'm going to end this conversation here. Cameron, I know we aren't on the best of terms right now, but there's an emergency.
Yeah, Lucy, I would say not on the best of terms.
Lalagay ko pa to.
Since it's been 1 week and Coco is
Inuna ko lang mga.
There's a more important problem. My son Miles was playing with his ball outside and
Ano
didn't come home this
na?
evening. I'm so worried.
Isa na namang issue ng bata.
I don't know anything about it,
Out na sa
unfortunately,
tiba
and I
siya.
can see
Dahil
why
sa
that's a
tiba. Kahit Soto at
Susan
si
from
Gaya
across the
Alpha
road is saying
sumama
the
ko
last
si
time she saw him playing this morning going into your backyard to get his
si Gaya.
and she never saw him come
At
out.
Japan,
Are you calling her a liar?
NBA Australia. Magkakaalaman na ngayong araw. Kaya ba nagsiba yun?
So I'm going to end this conversation here.
Okay, because my old line on it. My son got you were.
International Traffic Board. Kapag ito ng Cuba
Hey, Cameron, my son accidentally kicked his ball into your backyard. He's a bit shy to ask you for it. Could you just throw it back?
Yeah, no problem. Just tell him to be careful
Joke
next
lang.
time my cat does in fact bite.
Are you serious? I hate those little monsters. They should be
Bye.
in the jungle, not in people's
Update
houses.
na lang.
Okay, relax.
Okay, andito na kami. Magbabalik. Ay na nilalagay na yung cake. Ayan na.
Pakita mo kung ano pakita mo.
Wala na. Joke lang, joke lang. Na, yummy. Ang itim ng puwet ng kaldero. Haluin ko na to. Boytakan mo na, boytak. Di niya ako makita, no? Eh, naglalaho ako ninja. Ah!
Gumamit ka tinidor.
Ouch! It's fine. Wow! Luko, sulo. Hindi na ako makita.
So, yun nga guys at Midweek Games sa
Sarili
Japan
kong
Games.
vlog.
Isa sa mga featured games nila.
Usok na lang. Nakikita. Nga!
At ng Yokohama Corsairs. Nasa magkabilang kuponan ang mga Guinness players natin, si Sergio Ravena para sa Sanen at si Kai Soto
Pinaba ko
naman
na
para sa
para
Corsairs.
makita nyo.
Galing sa talo ang Sanen, samantalang galing si Panalo ang Team Mikay, kaya naman bitbit pa nila ang momentum sa malaking panalo nila at Linggo. Marami ang nagsasabi na dehado ang Yokohama lalo na at good mover ang Sanen at natalo nga nila ang mga ito sa unang nilang pagkikita noong November. Pero wala pa nga si Kai sa lineup that time, kaya naman, bentahin nila ang matutulog Kai Soto sa kanilang lineup ngayon. Gaya ng nakasanayan na natin ay same starting five para sa Yokohama, kung saan bibida ang tandem ni Komura at Kai Soto.
Ganun, nagtubig, oh.
Si Sir D sa starting shooting guard para sa Sanen. Medyo na-delay lang ang pagsisimula ng ball game dahil inaayos ang ring post sa side ng
Saglit
Sanen.
lang.
Kaya naman kanya-kanyang paraan ang mga players para mag-stretching at magpainit.
Parangan mo ako.
Kita ni Pool. Joke lang ito. Bye-bye. Upload ko na lang ito mamaya-maya, kakain muna ako.
First quarter, si Kai's jump ball.
Pakita ko muna yun.
Gaya ng dati ay hinahanap si Kai pero hindi niya nasa lumayas ni Kai ang pasa ni Oliver. Medyo tentative niya ang pagsimula
Pakita mo
ng
na lang
4 shares.
kumakain ka para di
Hindi nga maganda
Bye.
ang body